Let's learn the speed ramp effect in CapCut. Speed ramping changes the speed throughout a clip, and it's used to create smooth and seamless transitions. It also helps to emphasize key parts, especially when slowing down in a clip. It only works with clips with camera movement. First, we'll start off with speed ramp transitions. Here is our first clip. We'll play this at normal speed, just so you can see. And I'm going to add a speed ramp to the next clip. And to do that, go back to our first clip. Make sure you have your clip selected. Click that and click speed down here. And once you click that, click curve. And next you will do bullet. And as you can see, it did the speed ramp. And I will apply that same effect to our next clip. Same exact thing. Bullet for that too. And that's how you add your speed ramp. One thing to note is you could also adjust that speed ramp. So go back to the clip, click speed, and go back into curve. And with bullet, you can see when the line's higher, the speed will be faster. And when the line's at the bottom, it'll go slower. And that 1x means normal speed as if when you recorded that clip. So I will adjust that so you could see as an example. So getting to this again, change that. Make this go faster and slower. And see, I just adjusted it, but I'll reset that. Now I'm going to apply that effect to the rest of our clips. I'll play it back so you can see. Next, I'll do the effect where it emphasizes specific points in the clip where it's slow down. Same exact thing. However, instead of bullet, you'll see that we are going to press custom. And you'll press into custom again. I'm going to go really fast at the beginning. And gonna slow it down where it goes to that A-spec part. So let's do that. And now I'm gonna make it go fast again so it speeds up to our next point. And I'm actually gonna make it slow down at that Integra part. So let's see that. And I'm actually gonna make it speed out in the last part. But I think it doesn't stay too long in the Integra or the A-spec, so I'll make that a little bit longer. So let me just do this. Let's see that. And let me play with this a bit. I think that's it. Let's play this again one more time. So I only use the bullet curve and also the custom curve, but if you go back under curve, you see all these other speed curves that you could try out. That's speed ramping in CapCut. If you're learning too, try it out and let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more learnings, and what else should I learn?